Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of structural and exchange social mobility in society. Social mobility refers to a person's ability to move up or down the social class ladder. Structural mobility occurs when a large group of people move upward or downward due to large-scale societal changes and trends impacting their opportunities or lack of. As society itself changes, sometimes rapidly and oftentimes gradually, this contributes to many people that move up or down, experiencing social mobility together. These ideas have been studied by sociologists like PitirimSorokin, who explored different types of mobility and how society shapes opportunities. This is different from individual effort, for example, like graduating from college and securing high payment employment. Structural mobility is about the structure or organization of society changing opportunities for many people at the same time. Both during the Great Recession in 2008 and the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 resulted in millions of people losing their jobs at the same time. Government financial aid allows millions of middle class and lower class students to receive higher education. It's important to note that structural mobility is both downward and upward, depending on specific societal changes. And structural mobility happens because of economic and social changes, not because of individual choices. Exchange mobility happens when some people move up the class system, while at the same time others are moving down. But the overall social class structure of society stays the same. In very general terms, social mobility is like a swap, with some people moving into a better job, others might be moving into a worse one. Unlike structural mobility, exchange mobility does not change the overall number of rich or poor people, it just shifts individuals around. Some sociologists point out when we see the big picture of exchange mobility in American society, the class social stratification system tends to look like a closed rather than an open system. While during the Great Recession of 2008, it was men who mainly lost their jobs, since the housing industry is dominated by construction types of jobs. On the other hand, during this time, the baby boomer generation was transitioning into their later years, which led to an explosion of healthcare types of jobs, such as nursing, creating opportunities for women. When the manufacturing industry shrank, the tech industry grew. During the COVID-19 pandemic, as restaurant and tourism jobs disappeared, delivery services grew. As students graduate from college, there are also students dropping out of college. The high cost of housing displaces renters from their communities and prevents them from purchasing homes. At the same time, landlords and investment corporations benefit from spikes in rent. Structural and exchange mobility helps us see how societal social forces like political and economic institutions influence our social class status. Being aware of this continual swap of different types of industries that rise and fall in employment can help you plan for career changes. These concepts also help you recognize why financial success isn't just about personal effort or merit. It's also influenced by societal shifts and changes. And that makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.